Hello, my teacher. Hello.
Hi, welcome to session 80.
Hey.
Today, yes, we are really happy to be here. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos and share your comment with us. Today we want to learn how to use and but in a very short writing. And the topic of the writing is using cell phones and computers. Let's look at part A. Part 3, writing technology for you. A, how do you use your cell phone or computer or phone? Make a list of different ways. So we have a list here. You can make a list in your notebook. How do you use your computer? I check my social network 5 or 6 times. I don't send a lot of emails. So if you want to talk about how do you use your cell phone, in the previous video we talked about this. Why we use our cell phone and what do we use our cell phones for, like checking emails, making video calls. These are different things that we can do. Now we want to make a list of different things that we use our cell phones for. Okay, so let's do that. First, using cell phone, let's make a list. Okay, so for example, we use our cell phones to take photos. What else?
Play games,
Play games,
check email,
check emails,
upload the videos,
upload videos, right? Anything else?
text message,
Yes, send message, yes. Send a text
send a
or
text.
send a message. That's good, that's good. These are different ways that we can use our cell phones. Now, let's look at, before we check our writing, we have this list of different usages of cell phone. Now, before we start the writing, there's one nice technique that I want to talk about, using and but in a sentence. We should know that we use and but and also but to link two ideas. We can use these two words to link two ideas. For example, look at this sentence. My name is Mohammed. I teach English. I have two sentences here, okay? And I separate these two sentences with a period. So sentence number one, my name is Mohammed. Number two, I teach English. These are two different sentences that I say. Now, if I want to connect these two sentences and link them, I can use a comma and use and to link these two ideas. Look at this sentence. My name is Mohammed and I teach English. Okay? We
Yes.
can use comma plus and link two different sentences or two different ideas. Is that okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. In the next part, I want to teach you how to link two different ideas by using but. Now, look at these two sentences. I like the new tablets. I'm not sure. So I have two sentences. Number one, I like the new tablets. I'm not sure. These are two sentences and I separate them with a period. But if I want to link the two sentences, it's very easy. I can use a comma and but to link two different ideas here, okay? I like the new tablets, but I'm not sure. I like the new tablets, but I'm not sure. It shows that I'm talking about two different ideas, okay? They are not the same. When you use and, it means you are linking two ideas, that they are almost the same or they are about the same topic. But when you use this word, but, it means you have two different ideas. They are not the same. Okay.
But for negative and positive sentences,
Yes, maybe one of them is negative, another one is positive. They are different.
yeah.
Yes, positive, negative. Both of them are not positive. Okay? One of them is positive, negative, or they are two different ideas. Let's look at these sentences. Mr. T, can you please read the sentences for us?
I have a smartphone and a desktop. I want a new computer and I need some advice. I have a smartphone and a desktop, but I needed something for class.
I need something for class. That's right. Now let's look at this writing. this sample writing. Okay. So let's check that. Hi there, I want a new computer and I need some advice. I have a smartphone and a desktop, but I need something for class. I like the new tablets, but they're expensive. How do you like your tablet? What do you use it for? So if you want to write down a short text, it's very easy. You can use the list here or maybe your own list and write down a short text, use and but to show different ideas. Okay? For example, I say, I use my cell phone, I use my phone, I use my phone to send messages, and I use it to take photos. Okay? Another sentence might be, I never use my phone to video call people, to make video calls. But I always call my friends. So this is like a very easy and short example on how you can use and but in a sentence. Don't forget to use the comma. It's very important. And for different ideas, for ideas that are different, make sure to use but to link the two different ideas. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment for us, tell us if you like the videos or not, and subscribe the videos if you like them. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.